Welcome to an exploration of UniFi Protect, where we're excited to dive into the new integration of ONVIF support. If you're keen on expanding your surveillance setup affordably, you're in the right place. In this episode, we explore how UniFi Protect now opens its doors to third-party ONVIF cameras. Imagine harnessing your existing hardware seamlessly integrated into your network. A simple update, a robust enhancement, it's all here to transform how you manage security. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or new to the UniFi ecosystem, discover how this update enhances flexibility and adds value to your investment. What does this mean for you and your security setup? Stick around to find out as we unravel the capabilities this ONVIF support brings to UniFi Protect. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below as we take this thrilling dive together. In this segment, we're diving into enabling ONVIF camera support. If you're eager to integrate third-party cameras with UniFi's system, this is a feature you won't want to miss. Turning on ONVIF support is straightforward, though it's still in beta, offering a glimpse of its potential, even if not as seamless as UniFi's proprietary cameras yet. To enable ONVIF, go to Settings and toggle it on. It's that simple. However, being in beta suggests changes are coming, with promises of enhanced stability and compatibility. Some functionalities may be limited initially, but this integration offers the flexibility tech enthusiasts crave. Feedback from early adopters is crucial for shaping this feature, meaning your experience can directly influence its evolution. With ONVIF support active, you're set to expand your surveillance beyond UniFi hardware. Let's explore how this feature fits into the broader UniFi Protect ecosystem as Ubiquiti develops this beta release into a mature powerhouse. Stay tuned as we continue our journey exploring ONVIF cameras with UniFi Protect. As we explore UniFi Protect and its welcoming of ONVIF support, we encounter a significant breakthrough: third-party camera integration without additional licensing fees. This move by Ubiquiti is a bridge extended for tech enthusiasts eager to leverage existing hardware. However, like all breakthroughs, it comes with nuances. While this integration promises seamless transitions for varied surveillance networks, challenges remain. Imagine expanding your setup without concerns about escalating costs. It's a relief for users seeking budget-friendly enhancements. However, compatibility issues can still pose a challenge. Not every ONVIF-enabled camera will align perfectly with UniFi Protect. Some models might need adjustments, nudging them towards optimal operation within this ecosystem. An element of trial arises before reaching triumph. Users may need to troubleshoot to harmonize these third-party devices. Patience, along with guides and community insights, becomes valuable during deployment. Adjusting the protocols on the camera hardware may be needed for visibility and functionality. Despite these hurdles, the unrestricted nature of ONVIF integration acknowledges user needs. It captures the spirit of innovation and adaptability beloved by tech enthusiasts. This is just the beginning. Ubiquiti is refining its platform, addressing issues with updates to enhance the experience. In conclusion, the absence of licensing fees, even alongside compatibility hiccups, offers a significant advantage, inviting users to experiment and expand with enthusiasm. Each step paves the way for a future where all cameras, first-party or third-party, coexist seamlessly. Stick around as we continue this journey toward a flexible and inclusive surveillance solution. As we delve deeper into ONVIF support within UniFi Protect 5.0.33, let's address the challenges and the path forward. Currently, ONVIF integration has room for growth, particularly in control capabilities compared to native UniFi cameras. This is mostly about camera feed integration, leaving out some advanced features. For those accustomed to UniFi's nuanced controls, this offering might feel limited. Yet, it's not all static. Ubiquiti's commitment to enhancing ONVIF support is promising. They've issued micro-upgrades, addressing bugs and refining user experiences, demonstrating their dedication to improvement. Understanding these limitations today aids in managing expectations and informs decisions about your surveillance setup. Excitingly, bridging these gaps is part of Ubiquiti's roadmap, with updates intended to enhance functionality and expand supported features. Transitioning through this development phase doesn't need to be frustrating. Instead, it's an opportunity for tech enthusiasts to engage with evolving systems. Your feedback can help shape these advancements. Contributing to a future where third-party cameras operate seamlessly with UniFi Protect. Keeping an eye on Ubiquity's updates ensures anticipation of important enhancements. This involvement also ensures you're leveraging your hardware's full potential without extra costs. Stay tuned as we move forward on this technological journey. Share your thoughts below. How has your experience been with ONVIF cameras in UniFi Protect? What improvements are you excited to see? If this discussion resonates with you, subscribe for more updates. Your perspectives enrich the conversation. Now, let's explore the practical benefits that ONVIF integration brings. A standout advantage is cost savings. Utilizing your existing hardware minimizes expenditures, making it an economical option for those expanding their setup without extra cost. Imagine accessing a broader range of functionalities without pricey tools. ONVIF support also enhances surveillance flexibility. With numerous compatible third-party cameras, you can tailor your system to meet specific needs. Whether it's night vision monitoring or wide-angle shots, the variety of features available through ONVIF provides versatility for optimizing home or business security. The integration process is designed to be simple and intuitive, requiring minimal technical skills to get started. This seamless connectivity means users of all skill levels can maximize their existing surveillance potential. In short, ONVIF support boosts your system's capabilities and represents a move toward more inclusive, adaptable solutions. Have you benefited from this integration or faced challenges? We'd love to hear about your experiences. Share your thoughts and join the conversation in the comments below. As we conclude our exploration of ONVIF support in UniFi Protect 5.33, let's reflect on what this integration means for enthusiasts and surveillance system users. The ability to incorporate third-party ONVIF cameras offers significant advantages, especially cost savings from leveraging existing hardware and the flexibility it brings. Imagine a system where your current investments integrate seamlessly with UniFi's platform without additional licensing fees, an appealing prospect. We've covered the setup process, compatibility nuances, and observed ONVIF integration evolving with Ubiquity's updates. Despite its limitations, this feature prepares for expansive, inclusive networks, minimizing technology barriers. Now, it's your turn. Explore the UniFi Protect 5.0.33 environment and discover the growing world of ONVIF options. Whether you're expanding your setup with third-party cameras or updating your surveillance strategy, the possibilities are vast. Experiment, tailor your system to your needs, and let innovation guide you. If you found this review helpful and want to stay updated on the latest tech developments, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and share with fellow enthusiasts. Your engagement fuels our dedication to bringing you informative content. Thanks for joining our journey through UniFi Protect's new update. The future of surveillance is adaptable and promising, and you're at the forefront. Until next time, keep exploring, experimenting, and enhancing your tech arsenal. See you in our next exploration.